Everybody, welcome to my new update video. Here is given that an interesting equation given that root over x by 1 minus x plus root over 1 minus x by x is equal to 2 by 1 by 6. Okay, let's go start. How can we solve this? Is easy. Putting here root over x by 1 by x. Putting here, let root over x by 1 minus x is equal to y. The given equation becomes y plus 1 by y. Okay, and 2 and 6 multiplying is 12 plus 1 is equal to 13 by 6. Let here is this part we written by root over 1 minus x by x is equal to 1 by x root over 1 minus x is equal to 1 by y. Okay, that's why we can write 1 by y. Okay, now LCM, after multiplying both sides by 6 and transposing, we have 6y square plus 6y square plus 6 by y is equal to 13. Then we can write 6y square plus 6 is equal to 13y. Okay, my friends, then we can write transferring 13y right side to left side. We can write 6y square minus 13y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, here 6 and 6 is equal to 36. Here 4 and 9 adding this is equal to 13 and multiplying 4 and 9 is equal to 36. So the factor of this 36 is 4 and 9. Then we can write 6y square minus 9y minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. This part common is 3y. 2y remains 2y minus 3, and this part is common 2, and 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2y minus 3 is common, so 2y minus 3 remainder here 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can write 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, or 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here we can write 2y is equal to 3 and y we have let y is equal to x by 2, and y is equal to root over x. So we can write x by 1 minus x is equal to 3 by 2. Squaring the both sides, we can write x minus 1 by x, 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Again, we can write here 3y is equal to 2, and y is, we can write x minus 1 minus x, 2 by 3. Squaring the both sides, we can write x minus 1 by x, 4 by 9. 4 by 9. The multiplying, we can write 9x is equal to 4 minus 4x. 4 minus 4x, and from this equation we can write 4x is equal to 9 minus 9x. Okay, write 4x plus 9x is equal to 9. Here is 13x is equal to 9 by 13, and 9x plus 4x is equal to 4. 13x is equal to 4, and x is equal to 4 by 13. 4 by 13. Okay, this is the value. Here the roots are. So the roots of this equation, x is equal to 9 by 13 and 4 by 13. Okay, everybody, if you have any problem, please comment and subscribe my channel if you have subscribed. Thank you.